Here the question says at the point where x equal to 1 on the curve y equal to k by x plus 1 whole square, the normal has a gradient of 1 by 3. So here the gradient of the normal has been given. So we need to find out the normal. Okay. So how can we find out the normal? Look, here y equal to k by x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So if this one is there, so what will be the gradient? We can say gradient will be ddx of y, ddx of y. This one can be written as k into x plus 1 to the power negative 2. So we can write k multiplied by minus 2 into x plus 1 to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Or we can write minus 2k divided by x plus 1 whole cube. Now, the question says here the normal has a gradient of 1 by 3. So if tangent is this one, then what will be the tangent of the normal or gradient of the normal? Just negative reciprocal. Okay. So we can write gradient of the normal will be negative reciprocal. So it will be x plus 1 whole cube by 2k. Okay. So at x equal to 1, we can write at x equal to 1, this one will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 cube means 8 by 2k, or we can write 4 by k. 4 by k. So this is the first step. And here, this 4 by k and this 1 by 3, both are same. So we can say according to the question, 4 by k equal to 1 by 3. Or we can write k equal to 4 3 is 12. Done. So this is the value of k. Now B, using your value of k, that means right now y equal to 12 by x plus 1 whole square, find the equation of the tangent to the curve at x equal to 2. So this is solution of B. At x equal to 2, what will be the ddx of y? So we know that ddx of y already given here. So ddx of y, we have already find it out. Look, this one was minus 2 into k. Here k is 12, so minus 2 multiplied by 12 by x plus 1 whole cube, or minus 24 by x plus 1 whole cube. When x equal to 2, so we can say when x equal to 2, then ddx of y will be minus 24 by 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. If you reduce this fraction, it will be 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27. Now we need to find out the equation of the tangent. So we know that y minus y1 equal to this one, gradient, minus 8 by 9 into x minus x1. What is x1? 2. Done. So we need y1. So how can we find out y1? We know that x equal to 2. So if we substitute the value of x in y, what will we get? We can write 12 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 square, so 9. Or we can write 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. So instead of y1, we can write 4 by 3. Simple. Now, here we will get 3y minus 4 by 3. Here we will get minus 8x plus 16 by 9. Easily cancel 9 by 3. So we'll multiply 3y minus 4 by 3. 3 3 is 9y minus 12 equal to minus 8x plus 16. Or we can write 8x plus 9y, 16 plus 12, that will be 20. And that is the equation of the tangent.